These are some lovely black opals, just come off the rubbing wheels. This is an interesting little jelly bean here. I wonder if I can actually show you the colour bar. Here we go. This has got reds, greens, blacks, blues, oranges, golds, but it's just such a funny little jelly bean. You can see all the colours in this thing. It's crazy. It's very, very hard to video to bring these up, but there's some electric flashes from certain angles. Beautiful little piece. Not quite sure what to do with that yet. And here's the last little piece. This is an interesting one. It's another black opal lightning ridge, and this has been rubbed a sort of a pyramid pattern. That's got rid of all the potch off it, but down to where the bar is. So it's just a case of what to do with this. I think this one's asking to possibly go somewhere to be faceted. Might be an interesting little stone. Anyway, just a bit of work from the bench from today. This has come out nicely. Beautiful big picture stone. All these items are for sale. www.opalfevermate.com. If you see something on any of our videos that's not actually listed on the website, just get in touch with us. Thank you very much. Subscribe to our channel now for more free raffles this week. Look at that beautiful pattern on this. Catch you later, folks.